Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok live option not showing in iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone and when you want to go live on TikTok and facing the issue that live option is not showing in your app. So guys, how can you get this option easily? You can get your live option. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, here you can see when I am going to open my TikTok, and guys, here not find any live option. So guys, the main reason of this problem is you are using any downgrade version. So guys, first of all, you have to upgrade your version. Simply you have to open your app store. Here you need to search TikTok, and after searching TikTok you have to open your app, and guys, you need to update your app if not updated. And guys, after doing update you have to go back and open your settings, scroll it below, click on general, click on iPhone storage, and click on your TikTok app. And guys, if you have remember your login, simply you have to offload your app, and guys, after this you have to log in again. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, you have to open your TikTok app, click on your main profile, click on three lines, click on settings and privacy, click on report a problem, and after this you have to wait. So guys, you have to wait for some seconds. And guys, here is the option of live, and guys, you have to scroll it below. So guys, here is the option of viewing live or hosting live. Simply you have to click on hosting live, and guys, after this you have to wait. And guys, simply you have to, here is the option live is suspended. Maybe your account has been suspended at live. So guys, simply you have to click on no and click on need more help. And guys, simply you have to wait for some seconds. So guys, here you need to write your problem that you have not any option of live on TikTok. And guys, after this you have to upload a screenshot in which you are facing this issue and submit your appeal. And guys, within few seconds they will review your appeal, and TikTok support team will send you an email. And guys, simply when you have click on this tab, and guys, you will find an update link. And guys, when you have update your app, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to get your live option. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.